Hey everyone, so I finally got my hands on a new Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and if you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade your Android, this might actually be the phone for you. I'm just going to run through why I'm loving this phone in 3 simple steps. First of all, let's talk about the screen. The screen is a huge 6.8 inch screen, and what I like about it is really the brightness, because when you're out and about on the beach on a sunny day, then it definitely makes a big difference, because the quality of the screen will be still nice, crisp and vibrant. So it's definitely a game changer for me. Next, let's talk about the camera. We all know that Pixels are really good at taking photos, but this one has a new camera coach feature, and if you're not very good at framing shots like myself, then the phone actually gives you little tips in real time to help you to get the best angle, and the zoom is really good as well. And also it has an AI feature kind of thing that cleans up the image so it doesn't look grainy. So it's definitely a great addition to this phone, and the battery life has been solid. You know, I don't have to keep running to charge it up even when I'm using it all day long. And what actually is the favorite is the magnet, because Google finally added a magnetic ring to the back. This means that all those magnetic wallets, car mounts and step-on chargers that you find everywhere would be compatible with this phone. I'm loving it, and I really can't recommend this enough. So it's definitely a thumbs up from me.